Welcome to Standards. This is Anthony, Recovery Coach here at yourrehab.coach. This is the fifth in the series of Restoring Self-Respect. Standards are the expectations you hold on yourself and another in taking on a life task or even getting a glass of water or taking a drink. It can be incredibly simple and very complex. I'll read off a couple of factors that we're going to be dealing with on this particular course on standards. Standards, what a person is willing to establish and maintain. In general, a standard is a measure or a way to determine acceptability. Expectations determine standards and keep us in a particular condition. Could be good or bad. Standards are used to evaluate, compare, or regulate various aspects of life, work, or behavior. It provides a reference point for evaluating quality, performance, or compliance with established norms. Understanding and, when appropriate, setting your own standards gives you a valuable way to develop character and measure personal development and achievement. We can shift our standards up or down to better tolerate our environment. We're going to be going over a lot of examples and a lot of situations, and again, by now, having gone through core values and the earlier courses in the Restoring Self-Respect series, you'll find that standards comfortably fits into your earlier courses that you've done. Standards is where we live all the time. This course will help you become aware of every standard that you are perhaps unknowingly operating from, and having it come to the forefront in your awareness so that you can discard it, keep it, augment it, meaning make it stronger, put it more into your life. It's up to you. My name's Anthony. I'm your rehab coach.